Hello students, myself Manoj Kumar. Today I am going to start the new chapters, multiplication and the division of the fraction. In this video, we will discuss about the multiplication of the fraction of the whole number and exercise 33 which is related to multiplication of the fraction of the whole number, and third, multiplication of the fraction by the fraction, and exercise 34 which is based on the multiplication of the fraction by a fraction. Now let us take the first topic, multiplication of the fraction by a whole number. And now if the multiplication of a fraction by a whole number, it means one is a fraction and another number will be whole number. Now how can we solve this type of the questions? We will use a rules. This is the formula. A fraction into a whole number, a fraction into a whole number is equal to numerator of the fractions into whole number by the denominator of the fractions. Now let us take an examples to understand this type of the multiplications. One is the fraction and another is the whole numbers. Now here let us take an examples. 1 by 2 by 3. Children, this is the 1 by 2, this is the fractions, and now this is the whole number. Now this is the whole numbers, and in this measure this is the whole numbers. Okay children, this is the whole number and this is the fractions. You know very well about that. Fraction, and this is also called the whole number. This is the whole number. Okay, this is the whole number. So now according to these rules, we can say that numerator of the fractions. Now numerator of the fraction multiply this whole number. Now we will multiply this number. This is the numerator of the fractions, and now 3 is the whole numbers. When we multiply them, we get the 3. And now denominator of the fractions, here is the only 2, and now right is under the numerators. Now here we see, student, this is the improper fractions. Why it is called the improper fraction? You know very well about that. I have already discussed in the previous videos and the previous classes and the previous chapters. Now 3 by 2, here the numerator is the larger than the denominator, so this is the improper fractions. Now and this is not in a standard form, so we can change into the improper fractions, change into the mixed fraction. Now when we divide this 2 to this 3, now we get 1 as a quotient and 1 is the remainder and 2 is the denominators. You know very well how can we do it. We can do it in this way. Listen here carefully. And now we can write here 2, and when we 2 divide this 3. Okay, how can we change? We have revised, we have already discussed, but in this video we will explain once again. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, right there here 2 ones are 2, and now when we subtract it and we get the 1 as the remainder. Okay, now we know that we can write this quotient. This quotient is right here, which makes the whole or the mixed fraction, and this one is the remainder, right, is here, which makes the numerator of this mixed fraction, and 2 is the divisor. Okay children, so in this way we can change into improper fraction into the mixed fractions. Okay, now let us take the another examples. This is the another examples where we see first number is the in the form of the mixed fractions and another is the whole numbers. And now when we multiplied them, 6 into 3 we get the 18 plus 5 we change into the 23 and 23 multiplied this 8 by 6. Now we can cross the above and the below of these numbers by using the common factors of 8 and the 6. Here we see when we use table of the 2, we when we cross the 6 by as a quotient 3. 2 3 are 6 and 2 4 are 8. Now there is no number above and below which cancel to each other, so we will multiply this 23 into the 4, we get the 92, and 3 is the denominator as a. And now once again we can change it into a mixed fraction because this is the improper fraction. Now when we change in this into the mixed fractions, we write in this way 30 whole 2 by 3. We can change in the same way here we using this process. Okay children, I hope you know very well this type of the situations. How can we handle it? We can handle it by dividing them. We get the quotient and the remainder. Write this quotient is here and write the remainder is here, and now write the divisor here. Okay, now in this way we can multiply the fractions by a whole number. Now from this situations, from this process, and we can solve the exercise 33. Now here we see this type of the question is based on this type of the example. We have already discussed about this type of the examples. Now here, but here we take the question number 1 and the question number 16. This is the first question of your exercise and this is the last question of your exercise. Now here we see 1 by 2 into the 5, 1 by 2 and 5. Okay, now this is the fractions and this is the whole numbers. When we multiplied them, this numerator multiplied this whole number, we get the 5 and the 2 as right as a denominators. When we 2 divide to this 5, we make 2 whole 1 by 2 as a mixed fractions. Okay, now let us take question number 16 of your exercise 33. 2 whole 10 by 21 into 28. And now first of all we will change into the improper fractions. Now when we multiply 21 to this 2 and adding them this 10, we get the 52. Now 21 into 2, 21 to the 42, and 42 plus 10 it makes 52. 52 by 21 into 28. Now here we see 21 and the 28 which comes in the table of 7. And now when we read the table 7, 7 3 is 21 and 7 4 is 28. Now in this way there is no numbers which cancel to each other from above and below. And now when we multiply this 54 into 4, we get the 208, and now we make the 3. And now this is the also improper fraction. Then we will change into the mixed fractions. When we change into the mixed fractions, 69 whole 1 by 3. Okay, now this is your question number 16 and this is the question number solution of the question number 16. Now children, we go to the next topic, multiplication of fraction by the fraction. What will happen if the two numbers, when do you multiplied fraction by a fractions, how can we done it? We can multiply it. Now product of the two fractions, when we multiply the product of when we multiply two numbers as a fraction, this is called the product of the fractions. Now product of the numerator and the product of the denominator. Let us take an example. Here multiplied by 7 by 10 by the 5 by 21. Here we see 7 by 10 is also a fraction and 5 by 21 is also a fraction. Now how can we do it? 7 by 10 into 5 by 21. Now product of the 7 into the 5, product of the numerator 7 into the 5, and the product of 10 and 21, we get the 10 and 21. Now here we see 5 and the 10, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, we can cancel it. And now 7 and the 21, 7 1 is 7 1, 7 1 is 7, and 7 3 is 21. And now when we multiply this 1 and this 1, we get the 1, and when we multiply 2 into 3, we get the 6, and this is the proper fraction. So we cannot change into the mixed fraction. So children, in this way 1 by 6 is the multiplication by 7 by 10 by 5 by 21. Okay, now here is the another examples. Find the product of the 6 whole 2 by 3 and 1 whole 7 by 8. This is the mixed fractions. This is the mixed fraction. How can we multiply them? Guess it, how can we multiply it? Firstly we change into the improper fractions. When we change into the improper fraction, we get the 20 by 3, and now 8 into 1, 8, 8, 7, or 15 by 8. Now here we see when we cancel the 3 and the 15, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15, and now 8 and the 20 is cancelled by 2, 2 4 is 8, and 2 10 is 20, and now once again 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10. And now we cannot cross above and below numbers uh, get together. Now, when we multiply this 5 into the 5, we get the 25. And when we multiply 1 into 2, we get the 2. And now, children, in this way, this is the also improper fractions. Why it is called the improper fraction? Now, once again, I say that numerator is the greater than the denominator, so it is the improper fractions. Now, we will change into the mixed fractions, and when we divide this denominator to the numerator, we get the 12 whole 1 by 2. Okay. Now let us take the example exercise 34, which is based on the previous rules. Now let us take question number 1, 3 by 4 into 5 by 7. Now these are the, once again, these are the two fractions. And now how can we multiply it? We can multiply these two fractions, product of the numerator, 3 into 5 we get a 15, and 4 into 7 we get a 28, and there is no any factors, common factors, which can cancel these two numbers. So 15 by 28 is will be our answer. Now let us take question number 16. How can we multiply them? 17 whole 2 by 5 and 2 whole 2 by 29. When we multiply them, 17 in 5 ja 85, 85 by 2, 87 by 5, and now change into the this numbers, we mix 60 by the 29. And now when we divide it, 29 1 ja 29 and 29 3 ja 87, and now 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5 and 12. Now when we divide 5 to the 60, we get 12, and now when we multiply 12 into 3, we get the 36. Now this is the answer of 16. And now question number 20 of exercise 34. This is the last question of your exercise. 2 whole 1 by 4, 1 whole 1 by 5, and 3 whole 1 by 3. First of all, we will change into the mixed fraction, change into the simple fraction. It means improper fraction. When we change into the 2 whole 1 by 4, we get the 9 by 4. 1 whole 1 by 5, we get the 6 by 5, and 3 whole 3 whole 1 by 3, we get a 10 by 3. And now when we when we cancel the numerator and the denominator, we see 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Now here we see 2 is divided to this 4, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, and now once again this 2 divide this. Okay, there is some mistake is there. I can change it. Okay, now listen here carefully. Okay, children, now how can we do it? We can do it in this way. And now here 2, this is 2, and now when we 2 1 ja 2, we can write here 2 1 ja 2. Okay, now and now 2 1 ja 2, and now when we multiply this 9 into this one to this one, we get the 9, and now this is your answer. Okay, children, I hope you can solve this type of the question properly. uh, and now we go to the, thank you for watching my video. I hope you can solve this questions of exercise 33 and the 34. Thank you for watching my video. In the next video, we will discuss about the exercise 35 and the 36. And now, thank you for watching my video once again. Okay.